It's clear that tonight, though, will be a warm one. Will the winds kick in for tonight's game, or is that just this weekend?
Yeah, no, not tonight. Okay. Yeah, going to be still pretty quiet here outside this evening. Just going to be still about 80 degrees at halftime for a lot of games. So there's that. On the bright side, at least the sun is down before 7 o'clock. So, you know, if you're in a lot of the visitor bleachers, face straight at the sun in a lot of football fields, high schools around the state. So that won't be an issue. You're not going to be staring straight into the sun because we're that far into the season now. It should be cooling off. It's not just yet. So 80s cooling to 70s. That's what you'll be dealing with here at a lot of places here later on this evening. Outside the rest of the weekend, then we'll be looking at winds picking up as we head towards tomorrow. Some gusts up towards about 30 miles per hour. After today's heat, we'll still be near 90 degrees tomorrow as well. And then we're looking ahead to some rain in the form of even a few thunderstorms coming and then eventually cooling us down. That's going to be towards about Sunday night. So today it's all about just heat. We're starting off mostly in the 60s. Most of us will end up in the upper 80s to about 90 degrees later this afternoon. That's a few degrees warmer than yesterday. Now, we don't have a lot of wind today. Going to be about 10 to 15 miles per hour, but watch our fire weather index here as we head through tonight and then, well, mainly during the day tomorrow. Winds are going to pick up, gusts probably around 30 to, in some cases, 35 miles per hour. As you get into that kind of orangish color, the risk of fires goes up just because, well, obviously, if you've been outside at any point here outside of town recently, there's a lot of farm equipment out in the fields right now. Easily can form a spark or something like that, and there's a lot of dry crops that are out there. And when you have winds, you can easily get anything out of control. So field fire risk is definitely elevated as we head into Saturday and Sunday. Both days are going to be on the breezy side, and our temperatures are still going to be pretty warm, so it dries the air out just a little bit more than usual when you have that kind of warmth at this time of year. Now, let's cool things down and get things a little bit wetter here. Sunday afternoon, still dry, breezy, sunny. So clouds will start to increase ahead of a front, though, coming in from western Iowa as we go into your Sunday evening. So probably not till sunset or later. So 6 o'clock at the earliest, more like 7, 8, 9, we'll start to pop up a few scattered showers and some thunderstorms in the vicinity of that boundary. It kind of crosses northwest to southeast through the state Sunday night and into the day on Monday. Notice our temperatures starting to drop as well. Only 60s to about 70 on Monday. That front will kind of linger in southeast Iowa into Monday night. By Tuesday, then we're back to drier skies, starting off with more seasonal temperatures only in the 50s. And then we might actually drop into the 40s on Wednesday morning as high pressure passes overhead. So all that means we go back to actual fall weather here from Monday through the middle of next week. Kind of wet at times on Monday, drier, nice fall sunshine by Tuesday and Wednesday.